Hey guys, today I'll be visiting one of the most iconic projects on the coastline of Istanbul. Let's go and see the project together. Life here is like you're vacationing in a five-star hotel the whole time. And the reason for that is that the construction company is also the owner of one of the world's most prestigious hotel chains in Turkey. And for that reason, the architectural details, the materials they used, and the social facilities are at the level of a five-star hotel. Another important feature of this project is that it has one of the unique views of the coastline. You can even see Yalova, especially on sunny days. There are 496 apartments in this project, consisting of 3 blocks. Only a few apartments are left. Invest now and don't miss your chance. There are apartment types for every need, ranging from 1+1 with 92 square meters to 6+1 penthouse with 481 square meters. This place is located in an important location in terms of transportation. Marmaray, the bus, sea transportation, Eurasia tunnel, and E5 highway are only 5 minutes away. In addition to that, there are 4 shopping malls in the vicinity that you can reach in a short time. In fact, one of them is Marmaray Forum, one of the largest shopping malls in Europe. In addition to the 400-meter and 800 meters walking areas where you can enjoy your walks, there are also basketball, volleyball, football, and tennis courts, and 4 children's playgrounds. You can drink tea and coffee in the camellias, which is where I am right now, and enjoy having lunch with your loved ones in the barbecue areas. Let's say you wanted something different that day. You can try new culinary experiences with a hotel-quality restaurant. You can benefit from car wash, dry cleaning, valet, and bellboy services whenever you want. Plus, you can also get technical services free of charge, even if you just want to hang a painting. Indoor and outdoor pools, sauna, gym, in other words, whatever you need is available here with 5-star hotel standards. I just got an email from the site management. There's a Zumba class in the event area this Wednesday. I'm in love with this feature. The site management informs you about all kinds of events here, and you can join them for free if you want. I tell you what, people who live here will never get bored. Oh hi, come on in. Let me show you the apartment. I was enjoying this magnificent view. The type of apartment we're currently in is a 3+1 and it's 246 square meters. Best quality products have been used here, like the mini fireplace and the flooring. Do you want some coffee? Milk? Each floor of the building has its own central system. So let's say there's an electricity or water outage on the lower floor, this will not affect you. There's a room to our left here. You can use it as a teenage room or as a guest room. You can hang your TV here, but I don't think you'd want to watch TV when you have such a beautiful view to your side. But the choice is yours though. Here is the second bedroom, and as you can see, it is a very large room. Again, all the materials used are of the highest quality. How would you want to decorate it? Here we have a bathroom. There's a total of 3 bathrooms and 1 powder room in this apartment. And now, here we are in the master bedroom. Quite big. Quite spacious, I like it. It has its own bathroom, a dressing room right there with its own view. There's not a single room in this apartment without a view. It's insane, really, incredible. I gotta digest it for a second. And if you hold on tight for a second, I will show you one of the best penthouses you've ever seen. And now here we are. The penthouse that I'm in is a 6+1 duplex. It has 2 different entrances and is a total of 481 square meters. Levant and Maslak are right there. Can you see it? And the most important feature of this apartment, ladies and gentlemen, is that no one and nothing will ever block this beautiful view. So nobody other than the owner of this apartment will be enjoying this view from this height. So he must be a very lucky person. Open the doors to your privileged life with Investo Global now. Call the number you see on the screen or click the link in the description box below and we'll contact you as soon as possible. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.